Your baby's eyes are very fragile and require special care and attention. The following tips will help you keep your eyes clean and healthy. We all have to take care of our eyes, and more particularly in summer because it is the period during which our eyes receive the most attacks from our environment. Babies' eyes are more sensitive and, therefore, it is important to take the necessary precautions to limit irritation or possible allergies. Eye hygiene is very important in the care of your baby, particularly in the case of infants in whom the tear glands produce more fluid than those of young children and adults. This tear fluid is very important because tears act as a protective barrier against germs. However, in the presence of high temperatures, tears dry quickly and scabs form, which must then be removed. Remember that when cleaning baby's eyes, it is important to do it from the inside of the eye to the nose, in order to move the impurities from the eye to the outside. By doing it from the nose to the eye, you risk, on the contrary, bringing other impurities into your baby's eye. You must use cotton soaked in physiological serum and, in the case of newborns, prefer sterile gauze to cotton. How to take more care of baby's eyes in summer? Baby's eyes require special care and attention throughout the year. However, certain extra precautions are necessary in the summer. Ditch the idea that sunglasses are only for adults. The eyesight of babies should be protected as much or more than that of older children. However, be careful with the model chosen. Make sure that it is CE certified and has an UV protection filter. If your baby does not want to hear about glasses, you can put a hat or cap with a wide brim. Under no circumstances should your baby be exposed to the sun for a long time and with his face uncovered. Beware of cloudy days. The sun's rays are present all day long, whether there are clouds or not.